Morning, family. Assalamu alaikum. It's 7:49, 76 degrees, 5.4 miles. We did the 3-mile toss the other day. Had fog yesterday, and so here we are today. One day later, so this is Sunday, the 28th. Got the birds out. Let's go ahead and see what they're gonna do. This is my 5-mile station, across the street from where you can buy gravel and mulch, manure. Used to be a little truck parking spot, but you can see it's up for sale like everything else in this area. And they put these big old center blocks at the entryways, so you can't pull in no more. But I think the birds on 3.2 miles. They made it home in less than 15 minutes. So we had the 5 miles. I got about 2.5 weeks before our first race, and I'm only at 5 miles. We're gonna keep pushing, hopefully every day. I'm gonna try to take them out every day up until a few days before the big race. Probably getting 1 day rest. I don't think I'm gonna have a choice. I'm quite sure we get rain or something like always. All right, give it a few more minutes and then, well, hell, I gotta go to work anyway, so let's go on and let them out. Already did the hawk check, power line. I guess I'm gonna have to do a little bit better. They do need to go that way, towards the sun. They did make one turn. Well, we know they're going the right way right now, so let me put you on pause and get my stuff put up. All right, people, got the birds on the roof. It's been, let's see, not quick. 8:07. We let them go at 7:50 something, so less than 10 minutes, 5 miles. You know, they gotta go farther than that. Okay, family, let's just keep it real. The birds did beat me home. I don't see nobody really panting, but can't see too much right there anyway, but majority of them look like they're here. Got some already went in because I guess they got some water. So I released them, I think at 7:50. If I'm not mistaken, it's about 7:57 or 7:55, something like that. And they got back by 8:07. So less than 10 minutes for 5 miles. That's good. Would just mean that tomorrow is 10 miles. And we hope that they do well. All right, comment, subscribe, and do what you do. Peace.